In the monitor measurement data display, we can see the RMS and peak current measurement of the last recorded weld, including the weld time of the weld pulse in milliseconds. We can take a detailed look at the measured current by selecting the Hold Display icon. We are now on the Waveform Analysis screen. The measurement data now displays the RMS current. We can now look at a detailed snapshot of the current by selecting the cursor icon and adjusting the position of the markers on the displayed current curve. Thanks for listening. Contact us today at entroncontrols.com.